Hi everyone, this is Mehdi from Talso Drones. Today we want to show you the multitask feature on the Agras T50 and T25. We have an Agras T50 here and we will have three 1 acre fields and we will combine them with the multitask and we'll show you how you can do the same. So the multitask feature merges multiple fields together so you don't have to land and take off between each field. So to activate that, you have to go to the map layers here and then scroll down and you see the multitask feature. Activate that. Then we have three fields. Each field is about 1 acre, so the total would be 3 acres. But after I select them, you will see that. One thing to mention here, and it's important, the multitask only works in the route mode. So now to select the fields, you just select the fields you want to merge together. So we have these three fields. It will show you 3.2 acre is the task area, and it is saying 8.97 gallon would be what we will be spraying, but we can change that. So we press use. It gives you a kind of a notification that when you use multitask, you need to make sure there are no obstacles between the roads and all of that. So we press continue. Now we have three fields. You see the start point and finish point for each field is there. You can select the fields to change what gallon per acre or what parameters you want for each field, or you can leave them to be the same for all of them. So let's say this is 2 gallon per acre, we make this one 3 gallon per acre, and this one we leave it at what it is. For the last one, I will increase the height to 15 feet over the crops. The second one, it's 9.8, I make it 10, and I leave this one at 9.8. So here we can select everything, we're good. The flight, you can choose the mode that you want. So basically here what we did, we selected all of these fields. Now that we turn on the drone, you can see these purple lines. So the drone will take off, will go to the first point, and then after it finishes it, the purple lines are the lines that connect between the fields you can see here. So now that we have selected all the three fields, we're going to put some water in the drone and spray all three fields with the multitask enabled and without the multitask being enabled, and see which one is more efficient. We know the answer, but we want to show you the exact data. First, we are going to do it without the multitask feature. We will go on the first field that is on the left side, and the application rate is 2 gallon per acre, height above crop 9.8. So now the drone landed.
Aircraft on ground.
We exit.
Propeller spinning.
We're
Keep
going
away for
to
safety.
exit, select the other field, click on use, make sure it's at max speed, which is 32.8, 3 gallons per acre, and enable it. Okay, now again we exit, we select the second field and we click use. Again we make sure we put it at the max speed by putting a high number, and it gives us the max speed. And then let's say start. So now this time we're going to enable the multitask, select all of the fields together, click on use, continue, make sure they are at the max speed, perfect, and similar gallon per acre as the other flights we did. Just after that we press start and we will slide it.
Aircraft preparing to take off. Stand back at a safe distance.
So we are going to fly the same exact 3 fields. Everything is the same. We just selected the multitask and it goes between them. So basically the only difference here is that the drone will not come back and land every time that it finishes one of the fields. So it finishes that first one, hopefully it comes back on the second one automatically and continues the operation, and the third one. So we don't have the time that we wasted on landing and just taking off again. So if you would like to see here also at the top, it's going to show you it's on field 1. You can see it here, and also this red arrow is the symbol of aircraft. And now it should automatically go to the second field, which is right here. Finishing the second field, and it's going to move to basically the third field, and we can see that already we are saving some time. When the third field is done, we will see more, and on the screen we will put that on the video for you to see that. So let's see. So now I already see that we have had some time saving. A minute or 2 adds up because this was only 3 acres, 3 1-acre fields. Now you can see on the screen the time that it took for the drone to spray these 3 fields with and without the multitask feature. And as you can see, you can save some time with the multitask feature, and it is highly recommended if you have multiple tasks near each other with roads between them or somehow disconnected to use the multitask feature. Thank you for watching.